You've seen the amenities? Now let's go to the activities. Enjoy Hotel Kimberly. Yes. Ano to? Why do kids love coming back at Hotel Kimberly? Well, let's go and find out. Go! Among the many attractions at Hotel Kimberly is the Piggy Waterpark. With pool of about 2 feet deep, this attraction has slides of different years and can accommodate toddlers and even adults. It also has a large overhead bucket which pours liters of water once filled. Such a fun bonding experience for the whole family.
Galing ni Kuya Eden!
Next is the playground. Adjacent to the pool park is a playground, which consists of different slides, swing, and seesaw. Typical kiddie play area. Another is the indoor play area or the game room. This room consists of indoor games and activities, such as air hockey and foosball. It also has an arcade-type basketball, table tennis, and plastic slide.
What? You want to feed the rabbit? Ayun, feed the rabbit. Let's wait for the ano. This one, oh. This one, oh. Yan, oh, yan, oh. Yan, oh. Yun, very good. Hindi takot.
Another fun activity here is the animal feeding. Typically scheduled in the afternoon, this activity allows our kids to feed our farm animals like rabbits, goats, ducks, and chickens. We can hold and take pictures of these lovely animals, but make sure not to hurt them. For the adventurous kids, young adults, and adults, this activity is one that will get you going. This part of the farm is perfect for reunions and team building.
Those are for ninja.
If you just want to test your inner ninja skills, try the obstacle courses.
Naghihintay ka sa kids mo, pwede kang mag-exercise, gaya ngayon, cycling.
Encourage your parents and guardians to look after you and not be cranky as you enjoy the pool park. Go to the outside gym.
Bukod sa cycling, meron ding walking. Stretch yourself here, man. Bonfire. Yay. Sige, go.
At dawn and weather permitting, a bonfire is lit so that kids can enjoy campfire marshmallows. Why don't we have this when we were young?
Ipan nyo na yan. Pangalapoy na.
Pala, dali.
Sasayo din.
From afternoon till evening, Garden Food Park is available that caters to street food, refreshments like halo-halo, and this one comfort food, nachos. Aside from this, other food choices from Filipino delicacies to Western favorites can be ordered inside the restaurant. For us, we went for the all-time favorite, pancit. Every night, kiddie movies are projected in the pool area. Again, weather permitting. The whole family can enjoy the movie while munching free popcorn or ordering your favorite food from the restaurant. Before you sleep, milk and cookies are delivered right into your room for kiddie guests inside. How I wish we have this growing up. From starters to wide selection of entrees to dessert choices, breakfast at Hotel Kimberly is a winner. Aside from the pool park area, the hotel also has two more pools, roughly around 3 to 4 feet. The whole family can enjoy relaxing and taking a dip in these pools. Hotel Kimberly has really captured the hearts of kids and kids at heart guests. A home away from home, a place you'll surely come back to. Till our next trip, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. The Mads Fam.